Hello guys, how is it going? So today I would like to explain about practice or practice. Practice is a noun and practice is a verb. And both words have the same pronunciation. For example, practice means to act of doing something regularly in order to become good at it. For example, I do an hour piano practice every day. Practice also means a habitual way of doing something. For example, the bank is going to review its lending practices. And practice means repeat an activity regularly so that you will become good at it. For instance, I practice the piano for an hour every day. So now I think you know differences between these two words. Bye.